Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming, and most likely you are watching this video because you are stuck with an iPhone where you forget your passcode to your phone. And this is a very common issue, especially if you have elder parents who they are very forgetful or having dementia and they always forgot the iPhone passcode, or if you have an old phone lying around and you've totally forgot the iPhone passcode that you have set years ago and you want to use that phone as a spare phone or a secondary phone, but you cannot get to bypass this, and every time you try it too much time, alright, you will say phone temporarily unavailable and you'll be locked out of your phone, alright, for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, this so long and so forth, until it's impossible to get back into your phone if you keep trying non-stop. But you are in luck today, because today I have one really amazing software or tool you can say, alright, that helps you unlock your iPhone in less than 5 minutes time, alright, and can bypass all this very easily, very simply, alright. And the software I'm talking about is this right here. So this is the PassFab iPhone Unlock, and I've been using this to help my friends and family who have any issues with their iPhone passcode, alright. I use this software to help them unlock it, and after that they have been using the software for months and years now without any issue at all. They have it's one of the most reliable software I've ever used, alright, and they have been using it for a long time now without any issues on their phone itself. So yeah, this is one software that I could highly trust, and it's really reliable, right? There's a lot of software out there that claims that they can do this, do that, but most of the time they are either gimmick, or they just take your money and doesn't work at all, or some even worse, they might even brick your phone. So if you want something that is really reliable, this is the one that I would recommend to you guys. So right now I'm going to show you guys the software itself, and afterwards I'm going to show you the full demonstration of the unlocking process itself, so you guys can see for yourself how easy, how straightforward, and how this software actually works. Alright, so without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself. Let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see right here, this is the software itself, and you guys can see not only it can help you bypass iOS lock screen, but it can also help you with a lot of other issues that you might face in the future, like remove iCloud activation lock, password manager, remove screen time passcode, bypass mobile device management lock, and also remove Apple ID if you forget your password to the Apple ID that is already originally signed into the phone. So yeah, with this software it comes with the whole package itself, and you don't have to really pay extra for the other features as well, which is something I really loved about. So right now we're going to show you guys, alright, the main focus of today's video, which is unlocking iOS screen. So how to get started? You just have to click on start, and after that you just have to follow the on-screen device, alright, to get your phone or put your phone into recovery mode. Alright, for today I'll be demonstrating on the latest iPhone, alright, and so there is no power button itself, so you're just following this on-screen instruction. But if you have an iPhone 8 and on older phone like a 7 Plus, 7, 6, 5, alright, you will have to follow the other instruction where you have to press and hold the home button for it to get into recovery mode. Alright, so yeah, you guys have different mode, DFU mode, repair iTunes mode, this and that, alright. So I can also select your iPad or iPod Touch. Alright, so right now I'm going to just connect my phone, alright, to this software itself, and I'm going to show you guys the whole demonstration of the unlocking process itself. So yeah, without further ado, this is the full demonstration itself. Okay, so today we're going to demonstrate on the iPhone 16, and you guys can see I totally forgot how to get into the phone itself. Alright, I totally forgot the passcode, and if trying too many times, alright, you'll be says iPhone unavailable. So yeah, that's kind of sucks. So what I do is just to connect my iPhone to my PC, and over here I just need to click on unlock iOS screen, just click on the start button. Alright, after that I just follow the on-screen instruction. You guys can see also supports for older devices as well, and I just have to press and hold the power up button, the power down button plus volume button, and the power off button, and after that press and hold for a while, your phone will reboot, and after that you will get into the recovery mode. In here you'll detect your phone, your version, and after that the path where you want to download it. So just click on download, it will download the firmware of your phone. Also, you just wait for the download to finish. So once it's it's done, you will say firmware downloaded successfully, and it's time you just need to click on start to remove. Alright, and after that you will start removing screen lock. It'll take about 3 to 5 minutes depending on your phone model, and after that is when it's done, you will see your phone rebooting and there's Apple logo right here. Alright, so you just wait for a while, wait for the screen lock to be finished, and you will say successfully removed. So once it's removed, alright, you will be greeted with the welcome screen, and you can just set up your phone as per normal. Alright, and once the setup is complete, you guys can see you are back in your phone, and you guys can start using your phone right now without any passcode lock anymore. So this is how simple and straightforward it is just to get your iPhone passcode removed in less than 10 minutes time, and this is the demonstration itself. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and now let's head back to the video itself. Alright, so if you guys have seen from the full demonstration itself, the process is generally very straightforward. You don't have to be really tech savvy to do that. Just follow some on-screen instruction, just a few simple clicks of a button, and most of the time just let the software do the job and you are good to go. You can just sit back and get a cup of coffee while the software do it. Alright, most of the time it took me about 10 minutes or less to do so. So, within this time period, you can just do whatever you want, and you don't have to do a lot of like handling or any of the thing. All will be handled by the software itself. As you guys can see, the whole process is very straightforward. Alright, most of the time you just have to click 1 or 2 buttons and bam, 10 minutes later your phone is ready to go. So yeah, this is the whole demonstration process itself, and super reliable, super safe, and works really well. So yeah, alright, so if you guys want to check out this PassFab iPhone unlock, I'll link the first link in the video description down below for you guys to go ahead and check it out and get this software for yourself. And this software is available for both Windows and Mac OS as well. So if you're using Mac, this software is definitely supported. Alright, and the best part about this is, alright, it also supports the latest iOS 26 and the iPhone 17 series and the iPhone Air. So if you have one of this series and you just bought a new phone and you forget your passcode to it, I think there's something wrong with you. But it also does support it, so that's the best part about this phone. And yeah, so if you guys want to check out this software right here, I'll link the first link in the description down below. And if you guys find today's video really interesting, really helpful, and did help you solve your problems, do give it a thumbs up and comment down below what iPhone model you're using and the iOS version, so people will know that hey, the same model can work really well. So yeah, so once again, if you guys want to check out this software right here, the PassFab iPhone Unlock, do check out the first link in the video description down below. Highly recommend you guys to purchase the software itself so you guys can get unlocked to so many features, which is really worth it, rather than stuck with a phone that you cannot be used, right? So yeah, so that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩force Gaming, and without further ado, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.